Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to do air layering and why we do air layering on all trees and what are the merits and demerits of these air layerings. So dear friends, how to do air layerings and what type of means you can branch it should be. So minimum 1 year age should be and from 1 to 4 or 5 years branch you can choose it. And what should be the circumference or width you can say, just like thumb size or 3 or 4 times than the thumb. You can select it. And how to do these cuts, you have to select the branch first and then give to, you can say, circumference cut, ring cut you can say, by taking distance of 1 inch. And now take out that, you can say, total bark between the 2 rings which we, you can say, did on that branch. Now take or pick that, you can say, tip of the knife. Don't pick above the, you can say, that knife, otherwise it can penetrate your hand or it can injure. Now after taking, you can say, cambium, that is the bark you can say, you have to finish roughly by knife by which no portion of cambium should be attached to that hard part, that is called the part which is hard, that is the part of xylem and phloem. So you have to take out the total bark and roughly remove the cambium. And after that there are 2 types rooting hormones, natural and man-made. So natural hormone, cinnamon powder you can use. You can use cinnamon powder. Another thing is that in natural rooting hormone, that is aloe vera juice. If you have me aloe vera plant, then take out the juice from the leaf and attach or put on that, you can say, cut part. And then you can use soil, coco peat, all these material of soil, coco peat and sawdust also. And you can say sphagnum moss is already available in the market. All these things you can take and you can wet it with water, and then you keep it in transparent polythene and wrap it, that cut part, tightly. That part should be compact, otherwise if there will be air, then no root formation process will take place. You have to tight or wind or bind this total part with the thread, or you can say nylon thread, that is the plastic thread. So you have to use transparent, you can say, polythene, by which after some days, means after 30 or 60 days, you can see the roots which will, you can say, touch the outer part of that, you can say, binded material, that may be coco peat also. So what is coco peat? Coco peat is a dust of that coconut outer part, that you can say block of coco peat is already, you can say, available in the market. You can buy it. And if you are not in that situation to buy this sphagnum moss or you can say coco peat, then you can simply use soil, 50% soil plus 50% compost. You can in compost you can take cow dung or you can say camel dung, all types of animal dung you can use for, you can say, mixing purpose. Then you have to pour water and mix the cow dung or dung with soil, and such a way you have to tightly compact that part, and such a way you can do air layering on all types of branches, all types of plants, and you can get the bonsai plant of any quality plant. And how to, you can say, detach it after formation of bunches of root. You can detach that, you can say, lower part from where you give cut and take out the polythene and insert in the pit. And what type of means, what should be the type of means size of pit? The size of pit should be 2 feet deep. Why? we have to insert these because these are not the primary roots, these are the secondary roots, and that's why you have to pour these you can say plant deeply, by which in future it cannot be collapsed by wind or any material. So dear friends, at the same time you will get the fruiting on the same year if that branch is giving fruitings. So if you like that, you can say my video, then subscribe it and like.